Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the corrupted file scan error, the error that shows up on my screen right now. This says Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. So if you are facing the same issue or error, then this video is for you. Type in PowerShell in the search bar and run as an administrator. We will go to Notepad and copy the command Repair-WindowsImage online RestoreHealth and paste it here. Press enter and we will wait for its processing. Okay, once you see this screen, you will be able to run the scan for corrupted files again. It should go smoothly this time. Just type in command prompt in search bar and run as an administrator and type in SFC /scannow. Press enter and this time it should go through. So the command that we previously typed into the PowerShell must have fixed the issues and the errors that shows up during the corrupted file scan. If you guys find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.